Alright, and I'm going to do a very brief introduction about how you can get quick on board with Wemero, okay? And nowadays people are working on mobile device, so I'm going to focus this demo video clip on how you can use Wemero a mobile app to manage your business salon. Let's go to Play Store, okay? So for an iPhone users, you can use the App Store. For Android users, you can just use the Google Play. And for example, when we go to here, we search Wemero, and you got it, right? So we have one. The first one is the Wemero Business, and this one is for business owners to use. And the second Wemero is for customers. Customers can use this to book their service. And the Wemero partners, that means we also welcome business distributors to join us to help us promote Wemero systems. So this one is for business owners. So let us just download Wemero Business, okay? Because I already downloaded it, so I can just open it. So I open it, and the system is already logging. I will log out to make you feel how the system works. Okay, let me just log out. So when you go to the interface, you can see that we have two versions. One is for beauty Wemero, one is for health Wemero. That means for clinics owners, doctors, physicians, they can choose to use the green version. And for beauty owners, we can just only choose the beauty Wemero version. Let's click it. Let's find it. Right? So for you who first come to use this system, you have to sign up. Sign up is quite easy. You provide your email, provide your password, and your first name, and your phone number, right? And then you can just create your account. And a notification of the confirmation email will send to your email, which you use to apply for Wemero system. So after you sign up, you can log in. That's just a login. Because I just logged out, so I have to enter my credentials again. Wait a moment. This is my name. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I think I need to password. I think I need to cover my password. Yeah. The system is so intelligent. It cover for me directly. Okay, now I enter my password. Now we can log in. So you see, this is the typical phone version interface. And the last from the left bottom here, we have the phone. We have the home button. This one is the place where you can set your monthly target. For example, if you want to set your sales target, you can choose from here. And this is calendar, where you can assign your staff to do the service. And this part is the customer side. Here you can select your customers, or you can just to edit your customer information. And where we also have the working customer. That means you can do the manually to add your customer information on the system. Okay. Then we go to the major part of here, the right bottom of the interface, phone interface. You see, let us choose the store. For example, my local Kuala Lumpur store. And here we can change the branches. And from here we have customer, service, staff, products, finance, multi-store, and marketing tools. Currently the system only supports two languages. One is English and one is Chinese, traditional Chinese. And I think that is enough for the larger client base of our Wemero platform. If you want to change, you can change the language. From here. From the second bottom up, you can find the language choice. So if you're a new owner, the first step you have to do is to create your store, right? Multi-store from here. From here, you need to create your store. Add plus, and you choose your store name, category, and your address, countries, province, city, zip code, and you click, and you can set up your store. Next is for you to choose your service, right? You have to edit one by one. Service category, service management package. Next is the staff. You need to edit your staff to provide the service. It is also, you need to done in order one by one. First do the title management, right? And here I already added everything, so you don't you can just if you are still blank, if you are new here, it will be blank, right? You can do this one by one. First you add your title, and second you add your role management here, role name, and description, and you can assign, yeah, from here you can assign your staff to log in the system. You can give them certain authority, and for example, this kind of the product, this kind of the service or the modules can only be seen by a certain selected few of your staffs. If you can set up your store manager, you can set up your ordinary stylist or your barbers, everything. Here I already set everything, but even I set it, I still can add it, right? Role name, I can still change their authority, clearance. That means for what kind of authority you want to give them to login, and the staff management. From here, you can not only manage their staff, you can also edit their salary, assign their role, and assign their working time. So quite easy right here. Yeah. And attendance, right? Leave management, holiday salary here. This is a huge and beneficial human resources platform. And here we also have the 2C functions. And if you want to sell your cosmetics, lotions, creams, you can also add here and sell it online, sell your products online, right? So I already add everything right here, so I don't need to add more. And product management, from here you can try to add it to everything. This is a typical beauty machines. I already added it. The supplier management, that means if you have your own cosmetic suppliers, you can add their supply name, and this system is also a perfect tool for you to manage your inventory, right? And products here, so service, staff, products, and finance. Here you can send to your customers the invoice after you deliver the service here. And then we have the marketing tools, and this one, it takes a long time to demo, so I think you can play out by yourself. SMS, the zone, reserve with Goon. Yeah, now this is the game feature. We can do this like Flash. We can edit, we can connect to a store API. We can connect the API in the Google Map, and in the future, your shop can be directly ordered from Google Map. When customers search your shop on the Google Map, they can directly add it. So this is also game changer features. And the Facebook advertisement, WhatsApp reminder, everything's right here. And report analysis, right? It shows how well you performed during this particular month, or period of time, or any period of time. You can check your performance, and yeah, so quite easy, right? That's basically the system. I think you can do this.